Hello everyone, I'm Wilson Wong. Next to me are some herb and spice plants such as lemongrass, fingerroot ginger, and Chinese chives. These plants can be propagated via division, and I'm going to show you how you can do so in this video. Let's take a look at some herb and spice plants and their growth habits to understand why you can propagate them via division. Do you notice the plants that can be propagated via division all have a clumping growth habit? Let me show you how to divide this pot of Chinese chives. First, we need to take the plant out of its pot. You can do so by tapping the sides of the pot. This is to loosen the contact between the root ball and the pot. Next, tip the pot over, shake it a little bit, and the plant should come out quite easily. Let's take a look at where we can make the first division. A good section would be here. You can see the space between the leafy shoots. Now grab a knife, slice it through the root ball. Let us flip the two halves over and make further divisions. When making divisions, take sections that contain at least 3 or more leafy shoots. For plants with large leaves, there might be a need for you to cut the leaves in half to reduce water loss. The remaining part of the leaf can continue to make food and help the plant to grow. Let's take a look at the health of the roots. The roots here are all white in color and they are solid, which means that they are healthy. If you see any unhealthy roots that are black or rotting, you should promptly trim them away. Before potting up, you would want to loosen the girdled roots here. An important thing to note is to ensure that the division is not potted too deeply. The new soil level should be the same as the original. After you have potted up the division, water it thoroughly. After you have watered the division, put it in a location with filtered sunshine for it to establish. I hope through this video, you are able to recognize the types of herb and spice plants that can propagate via division. Thank you for watching.